Hi, I'm Vijay Balaji, and this is my third video for my finalized presentation. And this is my source code for the application. So this is the home page. Let's start with the main. So this is a main page where main.dart where I reflect to the home page over here. So going to the home page, I export all the other dart files over here, and after that, in the home page, I give the assign few variables where I can see you can see account name, email, and photo URL, etc. And after that, here I give the gesture director so that it can direct the gesture and accordingly act according to it. And I have given the icons over here, icons code over here. And coming to this, these are the store items. So these store items refer to the code where every other products are stored. So these come under in store.dart. So here I gave the store variables and also the information regarding the products like the name, price, and also the image URL and the rating. You can see rating over here. This is the rating over here. It's indicated with the star. So these are all stored in the store.dart. Coming back to the home page, you can see over here you have other items such as the stack over here and the in the form of card, and you have the network image. These are I gave the URLs for my products, and after that I guess simple icons over here so that it may look good for my UI and also the app. And after that, I give you options over here. So it's like order, notifications, order history, profile settings, delivery address, about us, Google sign in, and login. So Google sign in is like you can just go and sign in with your Google account, or login is like you can just go and log in with your eCart application email ID. And after that, so these are so basically I give the simple information about us where you can reach out, and cart where you can see your products. So here the app data. So here it's the app data where users information is collected. So it's like user account name, phone number, email ID, password, photo URL, login, and successful message. After that, you can see I give you a list of string for the color variable. So this one is present over here in the admin page while adding the products to the application. So it's over here, color, size, and category. So you have local size, categories over here, the one I showed just now. After that, methods. So there's a method to upload to the cloud file store. That is the cloud that I have done here. That is the app tools. This one is to have like different options in your application. Coming to this, you can see here I given like password for this for checking your password and also if it's false or not, and also giving a keyboard type over here, and there's also a hint over here for your password. And after that, I given other options such as the product drop down, where you can see a list of the products which have been published, and this is a multi-image picker. So basically you can pick multiple images. So this is done when you try to upload images from here. You can upload multiple images at once. Like you can select multiple images all at once. And after that, I applied padding, and yeah, it's a multiple image picker again, and I give the images, etc., everything. So I have also implemented the one called snack bar. This is like the extra work, one of the extra work that I have done. Like if you see, I'm going back. So if I'm trying to log in with some random email ID, just give it and log in. So it says password cannot be empty. So even here, it's like I'm giving something else. And if I'm trying to just log in, like create an account, it shows it's empty. And even if I'm leaving even one column, it gives me a snack bar over here. This is a snack bar over here, which tells you I have left the column empty. So after that, the Firebase methods that I have used, where I can save my user account information to the Firebase, and also verify his account information, etc. And this is a post dialog that is for most probably for the UI. The store, that when I explained this, the store where I save my products over here, and this is a login page where the main source for the login page where the user can log in to the eCard application, manage his things and everything. So if you see over here, if the password is wrong, it's gonna be failed. Even it's gonna give you a hint for your email ID. And I apply a few icons for the email, password, lock, and etc. Here are a few gesture detectors for the email ID, and to sign up, applied some animations. After that, let's go to the sign up page. So if you are seeing for sign up page, it mostly contains of the sign up icon, and after that it will be asking multiple columns such as full name, phone number, email ID, password, and again enter your password, and just you can create your password over here. So this one is like the snack bar, the one I just showed you, it's signing up. So if you don't give any details, it will come hierarchically. First full name. If you fill this and you just leave this one, it will give this one. So it comes from top to down approach. It has a top to down approach, and after that, this one is for the UI. It just scrolls around, and it's done for the job. And after that, admin screens. I have that admin screens. If you see here, you have this option over here, like the admin controls over here. So mainly if you mainly concentrate on the add products, the main part of the code. So let me see, where is it? Add products. This add products, admin home. Okay, this is admin home. So here is where I give my all the other options in the admin home. It's like the search data, app users, app orders, app messages, products, and order history, privileges, etc. So let's go to the add products first. This is where the add products is. Here I gave the certain things where you can add the product title, price, and also the description. These are already these have been described in the add product itself here. category list, size list, and etc. And also implement the image picker so that I can upload images from there. And I have given it some rise buttons so that I can add products to here. And if you see, I have given the following columns to fill in by the admin. It's like product title, product price, product description, product category. For the product category, I have given drop down categories. It's like you have multiple options over here, so you can select anyone from that one. And it's same for the color and also size. You can see there are multiple options over here. And you can remove the image though. And even I have implemented snack bar over here too, so that the admin gets notified if he just lifts out any column. And just going to the application. So if you see the application background, so let's log in here. I have to I implemented the Google sign in over here, and also the login over here. So login, let's go with the login. So it's like one@uco.edu, and the password is PPP and login. So here you can see, let me log in again, because just see one@uco.edu and the password is PPP and PPP. Login. So this I have uploaded the score. There's a revolving thing which is like please wait for a while. So that's what the UI. And here you can see the name, email ID, and other things. So if you want to change your profile picture, just by clicking on profile settings, it asks you as a click here to upload your picture. So if you click over here, then you'll be redirected. So here we are redirected to this screen where you can find decent images on phone, drive, photos, and etc. And if you go here, you can find photos, SD card, downloads, etc. So I have few images. So let's click this one, and let's now just check if the image has uploaded to the Firebase cloud. So as of the graduate requirement, this one of the requirement to fulfill. So it's okay. Authentication, if you see, okay, the one with the email ID we got here, and database. If you see, yeah, we have all the database products over here. And the one, let's see the storage. If we got the one we have uploaded image, you can see image over here, I think. Yeah, okay, yeah, I think we uploaded this one. So we got the image over here. That's it. So let's go back to the code. So that one is done by image picker, which I have included in the let me show my spec.yaml. So these are all my pubspec.yaml files. So if you see my these things, so if you see here, my dependencies are shape preferences, cloud file store, Firebase auth, this for authentication, Firebase database. I'll show you just Firebase storage, image picker, Firebase core, and cappuccino icons is for the icons. And then let me show this one. So this is the Firebase database is used for, and is the storage. Image picker is to upload the image to it and store it in this database. So that's it. This is my code for the video 3. Thank you.